Ever thought all oils are villains in the story of a healthy diet? Think again. Today, it's time to unravel the truth and debunk a common misconception. Dive into the first section, types of dietary oils. Not all oils are villains. In fact, they're more like a team of superheroes, each with their own superpowers. Olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, and many others bring unique benefits to the table. Moving on to essential fatty acids. These are the unsung heroes of our health, including omega-3 and omega-6. They're vital for brain health, heart function, and the well-being of our cells. Next up, vitamin absorption. Vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble, meaning they need dietary fats to be absorbed properly. Adding oil to your meals enhances the bioavailability of these health-boosting vitamins. In the section Energy Source, discover how oil is a concentrated source of energy. With its high calorie count per gram, it's an efficient fuel for our bodies. This is especially beneficial for those engaging in intense physical activities or individuals with higher energy needs. In cell structure and function, see how fats, including those found in oils, are essential for maintaining the structure and function of our cells. They are integral components of cell membranes, contributing to cell integrity and signaling. In the sixth section, flavor and palatability, explore the delicious factor. Oil not only adds flavor and richness to meals, but also encourages a varied and nutritious diet. Finally, in cooking medium, discover how oil serves as a versatile cooking tool. Whether you're sautéing, frying, or roasting, the right oil can enhance the texture and taste of your dishes. As we wrap up, it's clear that oil is not just a cooking ingredient, but a vital component of a healthy diet. From supporting essential nutrients to enhancing flavors, incorporating the right oils into your diet contributes to overall health. If you found this information valuable, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Thanks for tuning in.